Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to inspect your gutters without going through the process of putting up a ladder and risking falling over. And you can do that by simply just taking your GoPro and pick yourself up one of those selfie sticks. This is a really nice selfie stick I got online. It's called a Mono Pro. And you want to be able to get that far enough so you can reach up into the gutter. So the reason why I'm showing you this is a friend of mine just had this done a while back, and he paid $100 to have someone come in with a drone. Now granted, it was on a 2-story building, but you can get these a lot higher, and he flew around on both sides of the house and then gave him the video. You can do the same thing with a GoPro. So that's all I'm going to do here. I'm just going to take this, put a little bit of an angle on it, and you're just going to kind of go along, and you're going to follow along your gutter. Just like that. And you can kind of get an idea what's going on once you download it onto your computer. So there's not a whole lot to that. That was quick and simple. So before you go and spend the money and having someone come in and fly around your house, take your GoPro or maybe even your phone if you want, and if you don't have a selfie stick, put it on the end of a 2x4 and go ahead and just go along your gutter, and you'll be surprised at what you can do yourself. Thanks an awful lot for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.